Good morning, everyone. This is Priya from FXTC, Department of ECE 2025. I welcome you all for today's short-term training program, which is based on IoT and Industry 4.0. And now, let's begin our training programming with a prayer. I would like to invite Ms. Neil and Jennifer for prayer.
Let's bow down our heads for prayer. Loving and most gracious Heavenly Father, thank you for all the blessings you have bestowed upon us. We are truly grateful for your Lord. We stand before you in humble prayer before we start with this training program. As your word says, day after day they pour forth speech, night after night they reveal knowledge. Bless and enrich our resource person with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to deliver the immense knowledge to all. Bless our HOD ma'am, coordinators, organizers, and each one of these students. Bless us, lead us, and guide us. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Thank you, Neolin. And now, let's invite our resource person, Mr. Ajay Kumar Godara, founder and director of Enovate Skills, to take over the session.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. So, very good morning to all the participants over here. In this session, we are going to discuss about application of IoT and how you can build IoT device. So that we are going to discuss over here. So in previous session, we have discussed about some sensor interfacing and some projects using that sensor. So a few more applications that I will share with you over here, and after that I will come up with the IoT applications and how you can develop some algorithm on the cloud, and with the help of that you can perform many applications for using IoT. So now these we have discussed over here yesterday, like PWM, analog input, digital output, analog output. So all these things we have discussed in the previous session. So a few more case studies that I'm going to share with you over here. So when we are using Tinkercad, with the help of that, we can make many smart products or a project over here. So that I'm going to share with you. So hope you like it. So this one is a sanitizer dispenser over here, that you can see it over here in a very simple manner. So that you can see it. So this one is automatic sanitizer dispenser that you can see it. So let it get open. So over here you can see it, that how that ultrasonic sensor, with the help of that your hand is being get detected, and will get sanitizer will get dispatched using that dispenser that is being attached with that servo motor. Now I'm going to start simulation and you can see how it is working. So now I'm going to click over here, as you can see. So as we are bringing bringing hand in front of that sanitizer dispenser, it will look like this, and you can see that motor will start rotating. So plunger will plunge that dispenser, and that sanitizer will come out. Now similar way, as you are bringing your hand away, so it will come back to original position, that you can see it. So that is working over here. So similar way you can make many projects using that Tinkercad. Few more projects that I'm going to share with you. So now I'm going to share with you one more project. So that we have discussed over here now, that is automatic sanitizer dispenser. So few more project that you can make it using this uh, ultrasonic sensor. That is one. This one project is about maintaining social distance. So you can make that kind of gadget to maintain social distance. So let's see it how it is working. So over here what we can do. So if any person is going to break your social distance, so then it will get alert using one vibrator motor and as well as that buzzer. So let's see how it is working. So this interesting project, you can make it and you can convert it in a product also. So this one is a distance. So I'm going to, yes. So I set up over here, I think 80 centimeter, 70, I think 70 is being set up, 70 centimeter. If anyone is going to break that social distance, so buzzer will be get on. So that you can set in a code that how much distance you want to set it. So this one is distance setup over here, that is 24. So you can make it more than 24. I'm going to make it 90 centimeter, 90 inch. So you can convert it in a centimeter. 90 or 120 centimeter. So now you can see it. So if any person is going to break your social distance, it will get alert you. 120, yes, now 128. So there is no buzzer sound. As anyone is going to break your social distance, it will get alert you so that you can see it. So yes, so that you can make it over here. These kind of interesting project on the Tinkercad without having any kind of hardware. Now I will share with you that how you can deploy your code in a hardware. That is also very much important and very much interesting over here. So before that, I will share with you one more interesting project that you like it. So let's see one more project over here. So yes, this one is a piano. So you can make a piano over here in a very interesting manner. So earlier we have discussed about one that automatic doorbell, and over there we have played one sargam, that saregama padhani sa, that was automatically get played. So now we are going to make a piano and we can play any particular tone or particular song with the different tone. So let's see how it is working. So if you are having a little bit knowledge about a music, then you will able to understand it in a very simple manner. So let's see how it is working. So this one is a piano project. So I'm going to start simulation. So over here you can see it that simulation is working. These are 7 buttons. So I think there is 8 button, one is extra. So you can use 7 buttons. So you can play different sargam tones, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, so that you can play it. So I'm going to start it from over here. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, ni. So that you can do it and you can play any song that you want to play. So whatever song you want to play, that you can play using this piano. So that is very interesting project that you can make it using your Tinkercad, and you can make it on the hardware also. Now after doing this, this one project you can make it and you can write your code in a embedded C and as well as in a graphical coding, both you can do it. So these projects you can make it over here. So now I'm just sharing with you very simple project that how you can deploy it on your hardware. So I'm going to use one hardware over here and I will check it out that how it is working. So let me open one hardware. So I'm going to use LED over here to display in my hardware. So let me open it. Wait for a second, I'm just connecting LEDs. finding it and connecting it. Yes, I found it. Just I'm going to connect it and I will share with you that how it is working in my hardware and how you can upload your code in a hardware in a direct way. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you my screen over here so that you can visualize that how you can write code. So I think you're able to see it. Yes. So this one you can see it. This one is Arduino Uno. So this one is Arduino Uno. So over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to deploy my code. So whatever code I have written on the Tinkercad, that I'm going to deploy it. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write any very simple code over here for LED blinking. And meanwhile, I'm going to connect one LED on my Arduino on 12 number pin. So at 12 number pin, I'm going to connect one LED and I will write code. So for that, we have to take one Arduino over here, this one Arduino board, and we have to connect it. Let it connected. So over there, I'm going to connect LED on 12 number pin, and I'm going to write code for this. So output, select pin number, and that is 12. And then go to control, wait, duplicate, make it, and you can make delay over here 0.4 seconds so that LED should blink fast. So after doing this, you will generate your code. This one is your code. So you can copy this code. You can copy it, and after that, you can open Arduino software on a cloud. So now I'm going to open Arduino software on a cloud. Let's see it over here how you can open it, and after that I will upload it. So let's see it how it is working. So first of all, what we have to do it, we have to directly open that Arduino. So Arduino.cc website, we have to open it. So now I'm going to use Arduino software. So earlier I have shown you that is Arduino hardware, that is Arduino Uno. So I'm going to use Arduino software on a cloud without downloading it. So that I'm going to use it. So let's see how it is working. So we have to open Arduino.cc website. And after opening that website, you will look like this. So over there you will find in this menus web editor, so that we have to open it, Arduino web editor. So it will ask about the sign in, so you can create your account, and after that you can do sign in over there. You can log in, and you can create account also over here if you are doing it first time. So your Arduino web editor will get open, mean your Arduino software will get open over here. So your Arduino software will get open. So this one is a Arduino software on a cloud. Without downloading it, you can use it, and whatever code you are writing it, that is also get saved on the cloud. So now over here, what I'm going to do, so whatever code I have copied over here, that code I'm going to paste it, and after that I'm going to uh, compile that code over there. So this code I'm going to paste it in a Arduino software. So you can delete it or you can paste it via shortcut command Control V. So again, let me copy, and you can paste it over here. Select all, paste option is over here. So I'm going to use uh, Control All, Control V. So this code I have pasted it over here. So that code is being generated on a Tinkercad. So that code is being pasted over here. So now after doing this, what we have to do it, this code we have pasted it. So now you have to upload this code. So how you can upload that code, that is very interesting part over here. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect my Arduino hardware. So I will show you that how I'm going to connect it. So I'm going to connect it. So let's see it how you can connect it. So this one is my Arduino hardware. So over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it via USB cable, and second end of that USB cable we have to connect with the computer. So that I'm going to do it. So I connected it. Now power is on in my Arduino. So by default that LED is on. So now what we have to do it, we have to upload that code. So I'm going in a cloud. So over here in a cloud that you can see it. So 12 number pin high, 12 number low, and over there COM port is coming automatically. As we are going to connect USB cable with the Arduino, so that port will come automatically. So now you have to verify your code, and after that you have to upload that code. So I'm going to verify it, verifying done, and after that you can upload it. So as I'm going to upload it, so my code will get uploaded and my LED will start blinking, and you will find over here success upload. So as your code uploaded, you can see it, and you can see over here that how LED is blinking. So this one is about uploading code on your hardware, that whatever code you have typed or you have written on the in that Tinkercad, that code directly you can upload it. So over here that code you have created it, that code you can upload it over there in a hardware also. So that is about Tinkercad and generating code. Now what we are going to do, we are going to talk about uh, that advanced application for wireless communication. Like, so I told you yesterday there is three mode of IoT. That first one is we have to acquire sensor data, and after that second mode is connectivity, and third one is analytics and peoples and process. So now we are going to move towards second mode, that we have to communicate our device wirelessly and we have to send data to the cloud. So how we can do it? So for that we have to use some cloud, and before using any cloud we have to understand that mode of communication, that how we are going to communicate with the Arduino, and we are going to send data to the cloud. So let's see how you can do it. So first of all, we are going to talk about communication devices, and after that we are going to use it. So we are going to use Wi-Fi module over here, and with the help of that we are going to send data to the cloud. So this one is a Wi-Fi module that we are going to use it. So that module name is ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. That is a cost-effective Wi-Fi module that is available in the market. So this Wi-Fi module over here that you can see it in a very simple way that how it is working. So in this Wi-Fi module, so few things we have to take care that how we have to connect it. So first of all, I will tell you a few basic parameter of this Wi-Fi module. There is 8 pin in this Wi-Fi module. One is TX, one is RX, and all other pins are like reset pin, VCC pin, ground pin, and GPIO pins. GPIO stand for General Purpose Input Output pins. Mean you can give input and output from this Wi-Fi module also. So that you can perform it over here. So now over here you can see it. So that Tinkercad part we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about that Wi-Fi part. So let's come to that Wi-Fi module. Yes. So in this Wi-Fi module over here you can see it that these GPIO pins, with the help of that you can control appliance. So how you can control appliance, that is very much important. So how you can use that Wi-Fi module. So there is two mode of that Wi-Fi module you can use it. Either you can connect it with the Arduino, that is first part. You can connect it with the Arduino like this. And the second part is that you can use this Wi-Fi module independent also. But there is some limitation that over there. So when you are going to use this Wi-Fi module in an independent manner, so over there you can control only two appliances over there. There is two GPIO pins, that is 0 and 02. When two appliances you can control it with this Wi-Fi module directly without using Arduino. Mean you can control your home appliance or you can control industrial appliance also using this Wi-Fi module and using IoT and with the help of this independent module, and you can make your product cost effective. So these products are highly demanded in the market. That earlier I shared with you one plug. So that smart switch. So that smart switch or socket we can call it, the plug switch we can call it. That smart switch is being used based on this Wi-Fi module. So when we want to control our home light, home switches, home appliance, that we can control it easily using this Wi-Fi module. So that independent Wi-Fi module we can deploy it over there and we can make that product cost effective. So that is very interesting part. So now what we are going to do, we are going to use it, that how you can use this Wi-Fi module. So first of all, we can use it with the Arduino Uno. So that is easy part, and you can control many appliances using this Wi-Fi module. And you can send data. I mean, you can send data, whatever data you are acquiring in this Arduino, that data you can send on the cloud. That also you can do it easily. So now we are going to use it. So let's see it how you can use it. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to connect that Wi-Fi module with the Arduino, and very important part over here. So when we are connecting that Wi-Fi module with the Arduino, so few parameter we have to take care. So first one is that, so that Wi-Fi module is being operated on 3.3 volt. Means that Wi-Fi module is being operated on 3.3 volt. That is very important parameter over here. So 3.3 volt mean you can provide this Wi-Fi module that power is 3.3 volt. That's why we have connected it on 3.3 volt. And second thing is that TX and RX, we have to connect with the TX and RX or 2-3 pin. So over there also we have to use one voltage divider. That is very much important. because that Wi-Fi module operate on 3.3 volt, and these TX and RX pin will provide the voltage that is 5 volt signal. So we have to drop that voltage signal level and we have to use it. So in the same manner, we can write program in this Arduino, and we can connect Wi-Fi module, and we can communicate with this Wi-Fi module easily. And we can, if we want to program that Wi-Fi module, we can also program that Wi-Fi module using this Arduino. That also we can do it. So let's see it how you can use it. So now we are going to use it. So you can use this Wi-Fi module or Arduino Uno plus Wi-Fi integrated module. Means that same part is that Wi-Fi module is integrated in this Arduino Uno, and in a combined manner that Wi-Fi module, Arduino plus Wi-Fi module is being prepared. So this Wi-Fi module and Arduino Uno both are working simultaneously, and you can control this Wi-Fi module using this DIP switch. Let's see how it is working. So first of all, we are going to use this one, and after that we are going to use this one also. Both module we are going to use it. So this one is Wi-Fi module connecting with the Arduino independently or separately, and this one is the integrated module. So first I will use this module, and I will show that how you can connect it and how you can use it. So in this Wi-Fi module, there is two mode of connections. So first one mode is, just take an example of your mobile phone. So in your smart mobile phone, there is Wi-Fi also. So there Wi-Fi in that Wi-Fi, there is two functionality in your mobile. First one is that you can create a hotspot with your mobile. That also you can do it, and you can share your internet. And second mode is that you can connect with available Wi-Fi network. So that also you can do it. Same two things that can be done in this Wi-Fi module also. So let's see it how you can use it. So both mode we can use it over here, and I will show you that how you can use both the mode. So first we are going to use that cloud part, that how you can control your home appliance using this Wi-Fi module. Then second part I will discuss that how you can send data to the cloud, and you can do condition monitoring of a machine using IoT. That part also I will share with you. So first we are going to do first part. So for that I'm going to use tools over here. So the tool I'm going to use it over here, that is Tinkercad. So that I'm going to use that tool over here, that is Remote XY. So this one is a tool, or we can call it a cloud, and that is free, totally free and open source. So over there what you can do, you can design your customized mobile app, and with the help of that mobile app you can control your home appliance easily. So that I'm going to share with you. So that is very easy. So whatever I'm going to tell you, that is very easy to use and easy to learn and easy to implement, that you can do it. So over here what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my customized mobile app. So for that you will find these different buttons over there. So like button, you can take it, drag and drop. So drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. And there are few indicator also, like battery indicator, light indicator, and arc level, this one level, text for getting some data from sensor, graph, so that graph also you can get it over there. And after that you can mean all the features you can bring over here in your mobile app. But what we are going to do, we are going to test it with 1 and 2 feature right now, as per your customized requirement, as per your product requirement, that you can make it. So let's see it how you can make it for your customized requirement. So that I'm going to share with you. So I'm going to create a new project, not save. So over here I'm going to take one button, and after that second switch. So these two buttons I'm going to take it. So in according to these two button requirement, I'm going to make my circuit. So now what we have to do it, we have to do setup of mobile app. So you can increase or decrease that size as per your requirement. So many modification you can do it over here in mobile app. So if you want to change background color, so you can click over here and you will find in a view that the background color. You can change it as per your requirement, and this one button also you can change their color. So that also you can do it. Then after that you can select this one and their type configuration, everything you can change it. So draw type ellipse I'm going to make it. So this one also I'm going to make it round to ellipse. So that you can make it easily, and that you can see it. So this background color I'm going to make it blue. Over here also that on of color I'm going to make it. So this color I'm going to make it blue over here. So now, so that customization we did it over here. So few more configuration we have to do it over there. So let's see it. So this one is button. So which pin we want to control with the help of this button, that is very much important over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to control my this with the help of this button. I want to control 30 number pin. For that we have to click on this button and we have to scroll down, and there is option of snap to pin. So click over there and you will find all the Arduino pins, that which pin you want to control using this button. So I want to control 12 number pin. So that also you can click it, and after that you can click over here with the help of this button which pin you want to control it. You can go snap to pin. I want to control 30 number pin. So these two pin in my Arduino, I want to control it using my mobile app. So let's see it how you can control it. So after doing this configuration, you have to go to more configuration over here. In a configuration, you have to click on the Bluetooth. So now you are going to do using Wi-Fi module. You can do it with Bluetooth also, but there is limitation of range that Bluetooth device can communicate up to 10 meters. So that is limitation over there. And if you are going to use Wi-Fi module, so their limitation is that can be, I mean, you will able to control your home appliance up to 100 meter without internet. But if you are going to do with the cloud, you can control your appliance from any corner of the world. So that also you can do it. So we are going to do it with cloud directly. So if we want to control with the Wi-Fi, that also we can do it. I will let you know later on that how you can control your home appliance up to 100 meter without internet using Wi-Fi module. That also I will let you know. So now what we are going to do, we are going to use that cloud part, and after that you can select module. So which one module you are going to use it for cloud connections. So we are going to use that ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So select it and apply it. So all the setup we did it over here. So all the setup is done. So now we have to click on module interface. So in a module interface over there we have to select software or hardware. So we have to select hardware and the baud rate. This one is very much important. So when we are going to connect Wi-Fi module, so Wi-Fi module by default baud rate will be 11520. So this one is a by default baud rate of that Wi-Fi module. So that we have to select it. And this one is a SSID and password, mean you are going to connect your Wi-Fi module with the internet. So it required a available Wi-Fi network. So that available Wi-Fi network name you have to mention it over there, so that your device get connected. So I'm going to mention my available Wi-Fi network name over here, and their password also. So my password is over here, 8765432, and this one is a cloud server token. So that is very much important. So when we are going to connect with the cloud, so you need a unique token, unique code. So with the help of that, you can connect it. So I'm going to take this one token. So the token you can create with your own also. So over here in my token, you can create it. I will let you know that how you can create your customized token. So after selecting token, so everything is okay. No need to change anything else. So orientation, if you want to change it, that also you can change it. So both orientation you want to do it. So I just do setup in my vertical orientation also, horizontal orientation. So this one is vertical. So over here these are buttons. So I'm going to do setup. So yes, I want to increase that size. Okay, now it is looking okay. Yes. So both orientation I just set up it over here, vertical and horizontal. So now after that all the setup is okay. So we have set up their configurations, and we have set up over there module interface also. So all the setup we did it. So now what we are going to do, we are going to click on get source code. So we are going to get source code. Source code means that code for this uh, all the setup of that Wi-Fi module. So as we are going to click on that get source code, you will able to find like this. So you will find code over here. So no need to write any single line of code over there. Just you have to copy this code and you have to use it. So I'm going to copy it, and after that you have to follow all these 6 steps. So these 6 steps I'm going to follow it. So first one, it is saying that download the source code, or you can copy that code. Both things are same. And after that it is saying that open Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is a software that you have to open it, and after that you have to paste that code. So whatever code you have downloaded it or copied it, this code you have to paste it on the Arduino IDE software. Then after that, install remote XY library. So that library is very much important. So that you have to install it and you have to add it in the Arduino IDE software.
Hello, Godar
Hello.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can you just show that configuration once again, sir?
Configuration. Okay, I will show you.
So I
So you
started with
can.
that only.
Okay, okay.
While go to config, which we need to choose? Bluetooth,
So yes, when we are going in a configuration over there, we have to select cloud.
cloud.
So I'm
Okay.
going to click over here. You will find by default Bluetooth. Click over here, and over
So I
there
find
you will
Bluetooth,
find connection.
Arduino, Bluetooth module, Android only, sir.
Yes. So over there you can click on the Bluetooth, and you will find connections. So
Okay,
like
sir.
Bluetooth and all that. Over there you have to select cloud server.
Okay, sir.
So cloud server, as you are going to select by default, it will be Arduino, and
Okay, sir.
module you will find question mark over there. As you are going to click it over here, it will ask about module. So you have to select ESP8266 Wi-Fi
So,
module.
which one, sir? Arduino, UNO?
ESP8266, this one, third one option.
UNO is there, sir. Mega is there.
No, Arduino Uno you have to select. In this board, you no need to change anything. Only Arduino
Okay.
Uno you have to select.
ESP8266 Wi-Fi module.
In third option in a module, you
Okay,
have
sir.
to select ESP8266 Wi-Fi module.
Okay, so after that you have to give apply.
And yes, you have to
Okay,
apply.
okay, okay, sir. I got it, sir. After that,
So after that, you have to click on module interface.
Module
and
interface.
yes,
Okay.
over there you have to select hardware serial,
Hardware, software serial is there. Hardware serial. Okay.
and then baud rate you have to change it.
Board. Which one, sir? Cloud, sir.
Baud rate, speed is mentioned over there.
Speed. Okay. Okay.
So speed
Okay.
over there you have to select 115200 as
Okay.
you are going to
Just
click it.
okay, sir. Okay. SID. Your ID.
Then after that SSID you have to mention your Wi-Fi name
Okay, sir.
and then password. So password of your Wi-Fi.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So
Done.
that setup you have to do it.
Done, sir. After that,
So after that you have to click on get source code.
source code. No need of source code. Get source code.
Yes, get source code. So after that your code will generate it like this.
Okay. Okay.
So that code you have to copy it, and after that you have to follow that all the 6 steps. So first one it is saying that download the source code and open it in the Arduino IDE. Mean you have to copy that source code and you have to paste it in the Arduino software. So then after that you have to install that remote XY library. So that I will let you know how you can install it. So now we are going to download that source code, or we can copy that code, and after that you can install that remote XY library, and then after that compile the source code and upload it in the Arduino board. So it required a hardware. So you have to upload that code in Arduino board, and after that you have to connect Wi-Fi module with the hardware. So that Wi-Fi module you have to connect it. Then you have to install that mobile app with the name of remote XY in your mobile phone. So that app we have to install it, and after that we have to connect it. So that we are going to do it. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, I'm going to open Arduino editor over here. So whatever code I have copied it from that over here, this code I have copied it, and this code I'm going to paste it in the Arduino software. So this one is a cloud version of Arduino software. So I'm going to paste my code. So for pasting, you have to select Control O, A, and Control yes. So I just use a shortcut command and I pasted my code over there. So this one is my code. Whatever code I have copied it from the that remote XY over here. This code I have copied it, and after copying it, I just pasted it in my Arduino software. So after that, we have to add library in the Arduino software. How we can add that remote XY library? That is very interesting part. So go to this, and over there is option of install library, and you can click over here remote XY library. As you are going to click it, or you can click over here download library. So I'm going to download library. So there is option, first option is over there download. That is latest library. You can click on the download and your library will get downloaded in the format of zip file, that you can see it remote XY zip. So now after downloading that library you have to add it on a cloud in Arduino software over there. So now how you can add that library? You can go to library over there. In a libraries, you have to click on the custom. So you can click on the custom, and over there is the option upload as a zip file. So go to library in a custom. Over there you will find upload as a zip file, and you can click on over here, and it will ask about import. So I'm going to import it, and in a download it will find it. So I'm going to open my remote XY library. So this library I have selected it and I just clicked it. So now my library is being uploaded on a cloud, on Arduino software on a cloud. So you can see it. So my library will get imported over there. So as my library will get imported, you can see remote XY library over there. So now you can compile it without updating library. If you are going to compile it, it will show error. So now you can verify your code. So my code will get verified, then success, and after that you can install it. So now you can see Arduino Uno. It is not connected. Yes.
Sir, shall I share the screen? Whether I just check whether I have imported correctly or not.
Yes, you can share it if there is an issue.
Okay, so 1 second, so I will share the screen. So is there any option? Shall I share the screen?
Mm, okay, now I think you will able to share it if there is option. Check it out.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. This is my screen, sir.
Okay.
Is this right, sir? On the right.
I'm not able to see your screen.
So now, sir.
So kindly open that Arduino software or like that. I'm not able to see your screen.
Now, sir. I have shared the screen, sir.
Yes, yes. Now I'm able to see it. Yes, now share it. Yes. So this one is your code that you have pasted it over there. So yes, library is also added. Yes, you can verify it. You can click on the compile and
Okay.
then you can check it out.
This one, sir.
Yes, verify. Yes.
Verifying, sir.
So it's saying that error check if you have selected the
Board.
board.
I need
So
to.
also yes, on the select board you have to select Arduino Uno. Scroll down it and you will find Arduino Uno. Scroll down at the yes Arduino Uno. Select it and okay.
Board,
Now again verify it. Yes, verify is done. So now you need a hardware to upload it. So as you will going to connect your Arduino Uno with your Arduino, then it will show COM port over there. I will show you practically
okay,
how it
okay.
is working.
So up to this, correct.
So yes, so everything is okay. Just you have to connect hardware,
Okay,
and after
SSID.
that it will work fine.
Given, sir.
Yes, this one is your SSID. Mean you can create your mobile hotspot with the name of this SSID.
Okay.
So you can create your mobile hotspot. Mean your mobile hotspot name you can mention it's same and password is same,
Okay.
so that your Wi-Fi module get connected.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Sir, I stop the screen.
Yes. So now I'm going to share with you that how you can upload it in a hardware and how you can run it in a real time. So that I'm going to share with you. So I will show you that hardware connection also. So let's see it. So now right now I'm having a Arduino Uno over here with me. So this one is a Arduino Uno and this one is a Wi-Fi module that I have connected it. That is Wi-Fi module that is ESP8266. That is Wi-Fi module. So using breadboard, I have connected this with my Arduino. So that same connection I shared with you in the PPT, same connection I did it. After that, what we have to do is we have to upload that code. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm using my USB cable and I'm going to connect with my Arduino. And after that second end of that USB cable, I'm going to connect with my computer. So as I will connect it, you will able to see that COM port will come over here. Now I'm connecting it. Now you can see it. COM71 is automatically get detected. So now after doing this, what we have to do is we have to upload code. So when we are uploading code over there in a hardware, so we have to remove the TX and RX pin in the Arduino that we have connected it. So I'm just going to remove it and after that I'm going to upload my code. So you can go to Arduino editor and over there you can upload this code in your Arduino Uno. So after uploading code, your Arduino Uno will communicate with Wi-Fi module and it will be get connected with the Wi-Fi and after that you will able to control your appliance using mobile app. So uploading is done success and after uploading that code, again you have to connect that TX and RX pin of Wi-Fi module with your Arduino. So that I'm going to connect it. Because when we are going to connect, I mean with the connected TX and RX pin, if you are going to upload it, your program will not get uploaded. The reason behind that Wi-Fi module used to communicate with Arduino at that same time your serial communication with computer cannot be possible. So that's why when we are uploading any code in the Arduino, you have to remove the TX and RX pin of Wi-Fi module. So that is very important. I have uploaded my code, everything is okay. Now what we have to do, we have to follow next step. So let's see what we have to do it. So next step, it is saying that that you have to upload your code, and after uploading code, what we have to do it, we have to connect Wi-Fi module, we did it, and install the mobile app. So that app we have to install it. So before that I will installing that app, I will share my mobile screen so that you can see that how you can do it practically. So let me share my mobile screen. So this one is a tool that I'm going to use it for my mobile screen sharing. Wait for a second, I'm just connecting it, and within 1 and 2 minutes my screen will get shared. Yes. So I will show that how that Wi-Fi is being connected with mobile and how you can check it out. This one is my mobile screen over here that you can see it. So in my mobile screen, uh, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to open my Play Store. So first of all, I'm going to open my Play Store over there. So in a Play Store, what we have to do it, you have to search that remote XY. So you have to search over there that remote XY. So as I'm going to search it remote XY, that remote XY app will become over there. Arduino control remote XY. That is free app, and you have to install it. So there will be option of install. You have to install it, and over there also you can see a few tutorials that how you have to connect it. So now I'm going to open it because I have already installed it. So I'm going to open it. So after opening it, it will look like this. Empty app, you will find it when you are using it first time. So that you will find it, and there are few example also. As you are going to click on the example, you will find few tutorials that how it is working. So that you will find it over there. So now what we are going to do, we are going to click on that plus button. So as we are going to click on that plus button, so what is happening over there? So I'm going to click on plus button. So after that, you will able to see like these options. So these options you will find it over there. So what we have to do is we have to select that cloud server. So this one we have to select it, and these are device token. I mean device token is that unique token that we have selected it over there while setup. So the token also I will let you know where you will find it, and you can connect it. You can connect it. So as I'm going to click on connect, it will show some error. So why it is saying that error, that is very much important. The reason behind that, so first of all we have to check it out that we have to create a hotspot, and my hotspot is off. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to check my hotspot name and their password. So name is this one same, and password is this one that we have typed over there. And now you can see one device is connected. So my one device, this one is ESP Wi-Fi module. So my Wi-Fi module is connected over there. So now again we have to go over there in this, and we have to click on connect. So now it is saying that board not connected to the cloud server. So let me connect it again. So now we have to check the TX and RX pin over there, and my Wi-Fi module connection also I'm going to check it out that all the connection are properly connected or not. So connection is okay. So the TX and RX pin I'm going to check it out. So I'm just reversing TX and RX pin and going to connect it again. So again I'm connecting it. So sometime if you are facing that error, what you can do, you can go back and connect it again. So board error is showing. So let me change their configurations. Just trying to connect it but not connecting. So there is some issue over there that we have to check it out, that what issue is over there. So I'm going to show one more option with the help of that you can check it out that your module is connected or not. So you can go to this my token, so that I have used it earlier. So these are your token. You can create new token also, but we have used this one. So now it is saying that your device is not connected, disconnected. So mean your device is not connected properly. So for that we have to check out all the pins with this device, and then after that we will able to check it out that the device is connected or not. But it is saying that the device is connected, but it is not sharing internet. So it is saying that device is connected, but data is not transferred on the cloud. So that is very important part. We have to refresh it. Now it is saying that connected. Now you can see it that your Wi-Fi module is connected. So now after doing connection, when it is showing connected, you have to go to your mobile app again and you have to connect it. Now you can see your mobile app. Again, I'm going to share with you. Yes. So this one is my mobile app. Click on the plus button, and then after that you have to select that cloud server, then connect it. Now it is showing your mobile app. So whatever app you have designed it, that is visible over here. So now what you can do, you can control your appliance using this these buttons. So that I will show you that how you can control it. So now I'm going to share with you hardware and how it is working. So let's see it. So with the hardware, I have connected one LED on that 30 number pin. So that I'm going to show you. Let's see it. So this one is my hardware over here that you can see it. One LED is connected over there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my mobile app over there. So let's share also. So this one is my mobile app. So with the help of that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to press my button. So this one button, I'm going to turn it on. So my light is get on. So this one I'm doing it with the cloud. Mean if my mobile phone is in a California, in a US, and my device is connected at my hometown over there in Haryana. So what I can do, I can control my home appliance from California over there. So I can do it from any corner of the world. I can do it. Just I need internet access in my mobile phone and internet access in my this Arduino Wi-Fi module, that we can do it easily. So that you can do it in a very simply manner. So you can control two appliances with this app. So there is one button. So with the help of that, you can connect one LEDs on 12 number pin, and with the help of this button, you can control on 30 number pin, because the two button we have used it. So now I have connected my LED on 30 number pin. So similar way you can connect on 12 number pin also, and you will able to control it. So that is very easy part that you can do it without writing any single line of code. that can be done, and you can perform your IoT applications. So now after doing this, I'm going to show you a few more application of this Wi-Fi module, so that you can do it with the cloud, and you can control your appliance from any corner of the world. Just only need internet access. Second option is over there when you are doing the editor and setup. So you can use Wi-Fi module independent and without internet. You can control your appliance up to 100 meter. So just suppose it like there is Wi-Fi access point. So whatever range of that Wi-Fi access point, so till that range you can control your appliance. Similar way, this Wi-Fi module, that ESP826, will work as a access point. And within local network you can control your appliance from up to 100 meter, that you can do it. So for that you have to do setup. So click on the cloud. Over there you can select Wi-Fi and you can apply it. So after applying it, all the setup is same, everything is same, just you have to select that hardware, everything is same. So this one is a remote XY, mean this device, that ESP Wi-Fi module will create a hotspot with the name of remote XY, and if you want to make it open, then you can make it open. Just you have to connect your mobile phone with the available Wi-Fi, that is remote XY, and you will be able to control your appliance within local network up to 100 meter. That also you can do it. So that also can be done over here, and you can use it. So that is based on local network, and you can generate source code. In the same code you have to copy it, same step you have to do it, and you have to copy that code, and you have to go to Arduino software. Over there also you have to paste your new code, and you have to upload it. So that code you can upload in the Arduino, and you can use it. So I'm going to upload that code. So while uploading that code, TX RX you have to remove it, and you have to upload your code. So now your code is verifying, and the code will get uploaded. So after uploading code, you have to, yes, success uploading. So TX and RX you have to connect it back, and after that you will be able to use it. So now what we have to do it, so we have used that Wi-Fi module now, and now you can see in your mobile that available Wi-Fi network. Over there you will find remote XY. So remote XY is available Wi-Fi network. Now you have to connect your mobile phone with the remote XY, and after that you will be able to control your appliance. So that I'm going to show you practically that how it is working. Let's see it. So this one is my mobile over here. So what I'm going to do, first of all, we have to connect with a Wi-Fi with the remote XY. So there is, it is showing only one Wi-Fi over there. That is, if you are able to see, it is showing only that Enovate Skill. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh it. So let it come. So I'm going to disconnect it, turn it off, turn it on again. So meanwhile I'm going to check available Wi-Fi, and remote XY is also visible over there. So let it get open. Okay. So let me refresh it, and after that you will be able to see that remote XY in your mobile, and you have to connect it. So let me touch it again. So it is not showing over there. So let me refresh it. If that Wi-Fi module is coming. So as my Wi-Fi module will come over there, I will able to see it. So now it is not showing in my mobile. What is the issue over there? Let me check it out. So I'm going to check it out on the mobile. So when we are going in a mobile app, so same step you have to follow. You have to click on the plus button, and then you have to select over there that Wi-Fi access point. So I'm going to select Wi-Fi access point. Then over there it is showing that remote XY also over there. So we have to click over there, but it is show error because my remote XY is not connected with my uh, yes, this one is showing remote XY over there also, remote XY. So now we have to click on the remote XY and we have to connect with the Wi-Fi with the name of remote XY. Now it is saying that there is no internet access with the remote XY. If you are able to see it. So now we have to go to mobile app. It is saying that remote XY it is connected. There is some deflection. The remote XY is connected. Now we have to click on the remote XY. Now your app will come over there and you will able to control your appliance that you can see it. So this one is but LED. You can control it using this button. So this one you are doing it with local network, mean without internet. So for that what you can do, you can control your appliance up to 100 meters. So that you can do it using this. So that is based on local network without internet using Wi-Fi. Now we are going to use one more advanced application of this Wi-Fi module for condition monitoring of a machine, and over there we are going to generate SMS alert also. So that is also very much important. Like if you are going to do condition monitoring of a machine, so take an example of a transformer. Like so if you are using a transformer at your hometown or in any distribution power distribution board, so power distribution area, so the transformer used to get damaged sometimes. So if you want to monitor their parameter of the transformer, so how you can do it, that is very much important. So when we like just take an example of transformer, if transformer is going to get faulty, so that you can detect it, and before going to get faulty you are going to receive SMS on your mobile phone. So that I'm going to share with you how you can receive SMS notification or email notification in your mobile phone. Okay, for that I'm going to use another cloud, that is so that is Sain Cloud. Over there we are going to use it, Sain Cloud, sain.mydevice.com. That cloud you have to use it. So in this cloud, first of all what we have to do it, you have to do login over there or you have to register it. So this one is also open source. So I'm going to do login over there. So after doing login, so this one is a cloud. Over there we are going to send data from microcontroller to cloud using Wi-Fi module. So let's see it how you can use it. So over there what I'm going to use it, I'm going to set up my cloud and I'm going to build my dashboard of particular appliance like transformer or any machine, so that you can make it. So first of all what we have to do it, I'm going to create a new device, add device. So add new and the device and widget. For this you need a hardware. So you can use Raspberry Pi also, and you can use Arduino, you can use ESP independent also. So I'm going to use Arduino and Wi-Fi module. I'm going to connect it. Select Arduino Uno. So second step is that it is saying that you have to connect with the Ethernet or Wi-Fi shield, and you have to install that Arduino software, and you have to use that same library. So that library you have to install it in the Arduino software, and you can use it. Then next, then we have to select Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno, and over there you will find option that how you are going to connect that Arduino Uno with the internet. So that is very important part over here, that how you can connect Arduino Uno with the internet. So I'm going to select that last option, that is Arduino Wi-Fi ESP8266 Wi-Fi. So as you are going to tick it, your source code will generated like this. So no need to write code, your code will be generated. You have to just copy this code and you have to paste it in the Arduino software. So now you can done it. So it is saying that waiting. So as you are going to upload that code in Arduino software or in Arduino hardware, and after that as you are going to connect Wi-Fi module with the internet, then only that waiting will goes to your dashboard, and you will able to monitor your data of that whatever data you are sending it on the cloud, you will able to monitor it. So now what we have to do it, so that code we have copied it, that code we have to paste it in the Arduino software. You can use Arduino Cloud or you can use Arduino downloadable software version also. So now I'm going to use Arduino software that is downloadable. So that software you can download it from this over here. So you will find option of download. Yes. So in the software you will find download, and you can download that Arduino software also, and you can use it in offline mode also. And over there is option of download, you can download it in zip format. So that I have already downloaded it, I'm going to open it. So this one is my Arduino downloadable version, offline version. So this one also I'm going to use it, so that you will get familiar about this offline software also. So now I'm going to open this software. Yes. So this one is my Arduino software. So you can open new. So this one is your new window. So this software, I'm just going to a little bit briefly describe this software. So this one is verify, this one is upload. Verify means compile your code, and this one is a new, and this one is open and save. So these are buttons and menus, we can call it, and we can use it. And this one is your workspace. Over there you can write your code. So now what I'm going to do it, I'm going to paste my code, whatever code I have copied it. Select it and paste it. So this one is my code. I have copied it from my that cloud version and from that website. So whatever code I have copied it, so this code I just copied it and I pasted it over there. So in my Arduino software I have pasted it. So now what we have to do it, we have to verify it. But as we are going to verify it, it is saying that you want to save it, but I don't want to save it, and it will verify it. So as we are going to verify it, it will show error over there. So there will be two error. So this one is saying that error. So first of all we have to select board. So board is over here, that is Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno you have to select it, and after that you have to verify it. So again you will find error over there. For that error we have to troubleshoot it. So first one error, it is saying that serial one in this line. So you have to remove that one, because that one is being used for Arduino Mega. So now we are using Arduino Uno, so only serial you have to use it. First one is this. Second one is that you have to add that library. So this one library you have to add it. So there is two library you have to edit, or one library you can add it. So how you can add that library? For that you have to go to sketch, and over there you have to click on include library, and either you can download that library in a zip format, or there is one option over there that is manage library. So that also you can do it. Click on manage libraries, and it will get automatically downloaded from this from the uh, from internet. So over there you have to search that library, CAYENEMQTT. So this one is a library saying MQTT. So you have to select it, and you have to select version, and you have to install it, because I have already installed it, so that you can install it using this. So after installing it, you can make it close, and now you have to mention your SSID, because now you are going to do everything with the IoT, Internet of Things, and the internet is required. So you can mention your available Wi-Fi network. I'm going to use my hotspot, and password also I'm going to use it. This one is my password, and after that what we can do, we can go to this one we have did it. So after that you have to verify your code, and this one is a function over there. Few more modification you have to do it over here in this code. So this one is a function for sending data to the cloud. So in this function I'm going to do few modification, mean this saying out one, this one we have to copy it. So whatever that written in double slash, that is comment, mean that will not executed in a program. So this one is comment. So over there it is mentioned that we have to use saying out one. This one is a channel number, so we have to use over here saying out one or two, whatever we want to use it. And over there also we have to use one, because this one is a channel number. So there are 7 to 8 channel over there. Those are virtual channel, mean you are going to send data to the cloud using these virtual channels. So this one is a one, this one is also one, and this one is milli, mean what data you want to send. So I want to send data on the cloud from my analog pin. Analog read, I'm going to use it command for reading data from analog pin, and which pin you want to read data, 802. And that data I want to send it on the cloud on channel number 1. So let's see it how you can send data over there. So now after that you have to verify your code. So now your code will get verified. If there will be any error, it will show error over there at the bottom. So now done compiling. Now you have to upload it. Before that you have to select port. So this one is COM71. You have to select it, and board is Arduino Uno and Gen 1. So now you have to upload it. So before uploading it, you have to remove the TX and RX pin in a hardware. So that I'm going to remove it, and after that you can upload it. So as my code will get uploaded, you will able to use it. So uploading. So you will get uploading done over there. It's uploading done, and after that you can connect the TX and RX pin. So I did it. So whole setup is done. Now you can go to the cloud. So still it is showing waiting. Why it is showing waiting? Because you have connected it, but you have not set up your hotspot. I mean, you have not turned on your hotspot. So that is very much important part. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on my hotspot, and I'm going to use it. So let's see how you can use it. So now I'm going to share with you my mobile screen again, so that you can see that how you can turn on your hotspot and how you can use it. Wait for a second, it will get connected over there. Yes. So this one is your mobile screen, you can see it. So in my mobile screen, what we have to do it, I have to turn on my hotspot. I'm going to turn on my mobile hotspot. As I will turn my mobile hotspot, and you can see it over there that how many devices connected. There is one Wi-Fi, there is no device connected over there. So now what we have to do it, we have to wait it. Over there one device is get connected, that you can see it. As your device is connected, you can see this waiting part will goes to that dashboard. Automatically your dashboard will get created. Wait for a few seconds. So you will able to see, yes, that dashboard is coming over there. So this one is your dashboard, and this one is channel one, that is virtual channel, and this one is a data from analog pin. So at analog pin I have not connected any sensor. This one is a dummy value. So you can click plus, and your Arduino color also you can see that green, and this one is channel one, and value is by default, the dummy value is 361. That is error signal. Now what I'm going to do, I can connect any sensor also on that A0 pin. That also I can do it. So I can connect any sensor over there, and I can use that sensor for sending data over there. So I can use potentiometer also over there, and that potentiometer data you can send it over there. For that I'm going to use any potentiometer over there, and I'm going to send data to the cloud. So let me find some potentiometer. So now I'm going to use a potentiometer over there. So wait for a second, I'm just going to connect it. So now we are going to connect a potentiometer over here. So let me check potentiometer. So yes, percentage over there. Okay. So I will show you directly without using potmeter. So what we have to do is, I just connected it, and the value is coming by default over here. That is 382. So now what we can do over here, we can do setup, and we can use that setup for different applications. So let's build that setup. So now this one is value. You can do customization also over here. So many customization you can do it over there. So you can see all the data in a graphical format also, and you can download that chart also. That month data also you can, minute data also you can see it, hourly data also you can see it, day data also you can see it. And this one is your data. I mean, all the data is going on the cloud. So you will able to access all the data over there in very in this manner. So over there you can see minute data. So these are data over there, and their channel number and device and time also you can see at what time what data you have received over there, so that you can see it. Every 30 seconds you are going to receive data, and you can download the data also for further processing. So if you want to do that also, you can do it. Now I'm going to set up trigger and alert over there. So this one is my dummy value. So you can use potentiometer, any sensor you can use it on A0 pin, and you will able to see that value over there on a cloud. So that error signal is coming over here. So you can use a potentiometer also over there on A0 pin, and you will get different value over there. So now First of all, I'm going to do very important part, that is about setup trigger and alert. So the trigger and alert, I'm going to set up it over here. So let's see how you can set up the trigger and alert. So what we have to do it, you have to go to user menu, and a few more modifications also you can do it. You can do setup and you can rename it also over here. So how you can rename it, you can name over here like port meter reading, port mean potentiometer reading, and you can choose icon also, light or whatever icon you can take it. So I'm just randomly taking any uh, indicator, so you can change it with the gauge. This one gauge I want to take. Number of decimal that you can make it. So this name is being shown over there, that is port meter. So that value, whatever value we are reading from 80 pin, that value goes to 0 to 1023. So that is error signal is coming right now. So because we have not connected potentiometer on 80 pin, so we can connect over there one potentiometer and we will change that value from 0 to 1023. Now what we are going to do it over here, we are going to set up trigger and alert. So this one is a trigger and alert option. Using that cloud data, you can set up trigger and alert. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up trigger and alert. So this one I'm going to do it. Over there, you can create a new trigger. So you can make over here FTP, that is name of trigger, and over there what you can do, you can drag your device. So this one is your Arduino Uno device. You can drag it and drop it. Now you can see it, the trigger. So you have to use trigger on the port meter. You can select it. So port meter, and these are value of that port meter. So this one is minimum value. You can make it 0. You can select it and make it 0. This one is a maximum. That value maximum you can make it 1023. And these are set value. You can set it whatever value you want to set it. So I want to set it 400. Just suppose it 411 or any random value you can take it right now. So when you are using any machine, so that particular value is required, that threshold limit that is required. So just suppose it this one is a threshold limit of any sensor that we are reading it from A0 pin in the hardware. So if this limit get crossed, you are going to receive SMS. If value will be above this value, if sensor value will be above that 411, so you are going to receive SMS. So that SMS we are going to set up. So set up notification. So select SMS and email. So now I'm going to add the recipe name. So I'm going to mention over here my contact number. So after that, I'm going to add my mail ID. And meanwhile, if you want to receive that SMS notification on your mobile and you want to check it out that how it is working, you can mention your mobile number or your mail ID on the chat box in the chat, and I will add your number over there, and you will check it out also via receiving SMS or email on your mobile or mail ID. So that mail ID you can share it over here in the chat box, so that I will add it. So I'm going to add my mail ID over here to receive notification. Or one more, I'm going to edit multiple, you can add it. So if any participant willing to receive notification on their mobile or mail ID, they can share their mail ID over here in the chat box. Yes, if anyone is willing to receive notification on mail, they can mention it. Yes. So I have not received any SMS or any mail ID over there in the chat box. So I'm going to proceed with my own ID. So if anyone is willing to receive notification on mail, they can mention their mail ID on the chat box. So I will add it. Okay. So now these two ID, one contact number and one mail ID, I have mentioned it over here, and now you can save it. So I'm going to save it. So as my limit of the sensor will go ahead or will cross that limit, so I will get receive notification over there in my mobile. So this one is my trigger FDP, and over there we have set up trigger and trigger is on. This one runs 0 time. So now what we have to do it, we have to go to sensor, and over there the value is 372. So now I'm going to connect any potentiometer or any device over there on A0 pin, so that I can increase some value. So I'm using something over there, so I'm trying to increase that value. So as my value will cross uh, 450 or 425, yeah, now 469. So after that I will check my mobile phone also, so that I will receive some notification. Yes, I have received some notification via SMS. So I received one SMS over there. So I'm going to check that SMS. Yes, this one is a channel 1 has reached threshold limit. So this one is saying that channel 1 has reached threshold limit of 411. This is connected to Arduino. Now value is over there 1023, and again it will come one more notification, and after every minute you will receive notification as you are going to cross that limit. Again one more notification came at 11:32, that you can see it, and same notification you are going to receive on your mail also, so that also you can check it out. So this one is notification over there, that you can see it, that channel 1 has reached the threshold value of 411. This is connected to Arduino. So these are notification, and again 1 minute ago that notification came, so that you can see it, and again new message has received, so that you can check it out. Again one more notification. So this one is latest. Sorry, this one is not latest. So all the notification you can see it over here. This one is latest 11:33, that you can see it. So I mean continuously you will receive SMS. Now my value is less than 276. Now I will not receive any notification or any SMS. So many SMS I have received it over there, that you can see it. So now as my value get increased 1023, so again you will receive that notification. Yes, this one is came again. So with the help of that, what you can do, what are the use of these kind of notifications and alert and trigger? So very important use over there that I'm going to share with you. Yes, now value is less than 412, 411, and now my trigger will not run. And you can see again the trigger and alert, how many time it ran. So my trigger run over there, that 8 time you can see it. So 8 time it runs. So you can turn it off also. That also you can do it. So after that it will not send notification and alert over there. So what are the use of this trigger and alert? Just suppose it. This one is the data of your pressure of your boiler. So if you are using a boiler in the industry, and this one is the data of that pressure of the boiler. If that threshold limit of that pressure is that is 412 Pascal or whatever value you can take it. So if that boiler is going to cross that threshold limit, after that that boiler will goes to in a danger zone. So as you are going to that boiler is going to cross that threshold limit, you are going to receive SMS. and mail also, and same mail is going to the higher authority also, so that they can take preventive measure before going to met with any accident, so that any kind of accident can be avoided over there. Similar way, if you are going to use a robot in industry, and that robot is going to become faulty and using some vibration, so that vibration value you are reading it over here in the cloud, and that value is going to cross that threshold limit that you have set up it over there, and after that what you are going to receive, you are going to receive SMS alert that your robot is going to get faulty after this much time. That also you can detect it, and you can repair that robot during idle time in your industry and during free time over there. And one more example, that like if you want to detect any kind of LPG or any kind of gas leakage, so over there also you can mount it, and you can set that gas leakage amount, and as you are going to cross that threshold limit of gas leakage, you are going to receive SMS notification at your mobile. So that project also you can make it at your home and at your kitchen also. So over there you can detect any kind of gas leakage, and you can take preventive measure over there in a very simple way that you can do it. So that is about monitoring of the data. Now if you want to control it, that also you can do it. So I mean, if you want to control appliance also over there, that also you can do it. So how you can?
Sir, excuse me, sir. Please share your screen, sir.
Okay,
Your screen is not
okay,
visible,
let
sir.
me share it again. So,
Okay.
so now over here, so this one is about setup of trigger and alert. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up that control part, that how you can control any appliance using this cloud. And there is mobile app also of that cloud. So everything, whatever monitoring over here in the dashboard, that also you can monitor in the mobile app also. That also I will share with you. Now I'm going to set up about control. So how you can control any appliance. So for that you have to go to add new device and visit, and over there you can select that actuator over there. So you will find over there actuator. So you can click actuator light. So in a light you can select light switch. So you can select device. So device is Arduino, you know. So 09, this one above one. So 09, this one Arduino. So now after that you can select the channel number. So channel number I'm going to use it 2, because earlier we have used 0. Sorry, earlier we have used 1 number channel. Now I'm going to use 2. Then choose widget button, then light, and you can get sketch over there. So this one is your code. So no need to copy complete code. You have to merge this code in a previous code. So only the last this one part saying in channel. So sorry, this one is part saying out. Sorry, saying in part. This one part you have to copy it, and you have to paste it over there in your previous code, and you have to update that previous code, and after that you can upload it. So you can run it, and you can add actuator. The actuator is being get added over there. Now this one is actuator, but you will not able to control it because you have not uploaded your code in your hardware. So what I'm going to do, I'm going in my code, and you can see over there this one is saying in. So this part I have to replace it with my latest code. So I pasted it. So now few modification you have to do it. So virtual channel over there you have to use 2, that we have set up over there in a cloud, and wherever you will find virtual channel you can use 2. And this one is actuator pin, mean which pin you want to control it. So I want to control 12 number pin. So you can use actuator pin with a 12 number pin. So whenever we are going to give any output to any pin, so that pin we have to define in a setup. that which pin we are using it. So in a void setup, we have to define that pin number. For that we have to use one code, pin mode, pin mode, and after that you have to select 12 number pin as a output. So otherwise that pin will not work. So these three changes you have to do it. First one, what why we did it, channel number and then pin number, and after that we have defined over here that pin mode, 12 number pin output. So after doing three change, you have to upload this code. So I'm going to upload this code over there in a hardware. So let it get upload. So after uploading code, you have to go to the cloud. Same thing you have to do it. So my code is uploading. So uploading is done. So you can see it. My uploading is done. Now I have to go to cloud and I have to check it out that this device is connected. Now disconnected and again it will get connected, and after that you will able to control your appliance. So let's see it how you can do it. So now it is again online. So now I can control it using this button. I will able to control my appliance on 12 number pin. So now I will show you in a hardware also. You can see it. So this one is my hardware over there, that LED is on, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it off. So you can see over there light will get turned off. Again I'm going to turn it on. So light is turning it on over there, that you can see it. So mean you will able to control your appliance from this cloud also, that you can do it easily. So that can be done over there in a very simple way. So now you can do scheduling also over there. If you want to turn on that appliance at particular time, that also you can do it. So for that you can do scheduling over there. You can select particular day, particular time, and at that time you can turn it on and turn it off. So whatever you want to do it, that you can do it. So that is scheduling part, that you can do it. So now I will share with you that app, that how you can do it with mobile app also. I mean whatever data you are doing it over here in in computer dashboard. So all the data you can see it on the mobile also. So let me see that app. So that app I'm going to open it in my mobile and I'm going to use it. Yes. So over there you can see it. This one is my mobile. So over there I'm going to open this app. So that is my device app. So that app I'm going to open it on my mobile. So I can do sign in over there. If I remember my password, I will able to do login, otherwise there will be some error. I'm not able to log in over there because I forgot my password. So whatever I want to say that whatever value you are able to monitor it over there, so same value you will able to monitor it over here also in the mobile app. Just you have to do sign in over there, and after doing sign in you will able to easily access all the data over there, and you will able to control your appliance using mobile phone also, and you can monitor it over there. So whatever you want to do, that you can do it over there. So the dashboard is visible on the cloud also, on mobile app also. so that you can make it. So now I'm going to share with you few more case studies over there in this same cloud. So I'm going to log in with another account, and after that you will able to see it over there. So now I'm going to do login over there. Okay, let me log out first. Yes, I will log in with another account. So over there you will able to see it. So this one is my another login, and meanwhile I just I got login over there. So now I just log in over there. I'm going to share with you my mobile app also. Yes. So this one is my mobile app over there. I'm going to open my Arduino Uno. Yes, you can see it. Yes, all the value whatever you have set up it over there earlier in that account, you will able to see. So that potmeter value, and this one is lights. You will able to control that light from that mobile app also. That can be done. So everything is same over there. So these are your trigger and alert also setup. You can do it. So now over here I'm going to share with you few more case studies. Like this one is a smart energy meter. So smart energy meter, you can see it over there. You will able to see that location also where it is being deployed. So that also you can see it, and you can do it. Yes, that is in a Simla. So over there you can see it, that power, temperature, and these are signal strength that is based on LoRaWAN. So mean long range communications. So this one is a daily power consumption, and this one is a daily bill amount. If you are going to set up a threshold limit over here, that if I'm going to receive daily bill amount is 100 rupees, and that limit is get crossed, you should receive SMS. That also you can set up it over there. So these are temperature and signal strength over there, so that you can see it. So that is smart energy meter. So similar way over there you can see it to more applications. That is, this one is a weather monitoring stations based on drone. So that we have deployed at NITTTR campus Chandigarh. So that is based on drone. So the drone is moving from that base station to any remote area. So it will monitor their weather data, and it will send to that particular remote station. So that is based on LoRaWAN again, and without internet connectivity and without mobile network, we can receive that drone sensor data from any remote area up to 10 kilometers using LoRaWAN. And after receiving data over there in a base station, we can send that data on the cloud. So you can see over here that cloud data. So humidity, temperature, air qualities, so that you can see it over there in this way. So now this one is second case studies. So similar kind of weather monitoring station you can make it, and that product also you can make it based on IoT. So now this one is one more interesting project, that is lift rescue system. So in any lift, if you want to, like if there is any lift and any person gets stuck over there due to that power failure over there or grid failure, so that person is not able to get out easily. So there are some safety feature, but sometimes they are not working. But you can use this rescue system. If any person is stuck over there, and if that person is pressing that emergency button, so that notification is coming to that operator, lift operator or security person. So that person is going to get rescue that person, that in which lift that person is get stuck. So they can identify it, and they can rescue that person, and in up to in the range of 10-kilometer radius, all the lift are connected with a control station, without internet, without mobile network. based on radio frequency. So there are few more project over here, that is you can see it, that is condition monitoring of a machine. So that is based on a Arduino. So over there you are going to monitor temperature of a three-phase induction motor or single-phase induction motor. So maximum time when we talk about machine, so in a machine over there, that temperature is major parameter for any fault, and voltage and current is also major parameters. So in any machine over there, motor is being used, induction motor is being used. So maximum time when fault is occurring over there, that is due to that failure of that particular motor. So how you can monitor their health? So you can monitor their temperature, voltage, and current. There are many more parameters also, like their winding fault and many other fault over there, like vibration fault, bearing fault. But I'm just going to emphasize over here only 2 to 3 fault parameters, like temperature, voltage, and current. So like if a motor is running overloaded, you can see that current is going to consume the higher, and if there is voltage fluctuation, that also you can monitor it, and you can control that motor also from the remote area. Like if motor is running overload, you can turn off your motor, that also you can do it. And if you want to reduce that rpm, that also you can set it from that cloud, that also you can do it. So if there is any fluctuation in voltage, you can turn off your motor, that also you can do it. If temperature is higher over there in a motor due to overheating, that time also you can stop your motor from any remote area, because if you are going in any foreign tour and your operator is running your motor it continuously and the motor got heat up, so you can check it out, and you can turn off your motor from any remote area, from any country, that also you can do it. So these are a few application of that IoT, and you can implement over there machine learning and algorithm over there, and you can receive SMS and notification alert trigger, and scheduling also you can do it over there. So and tracking also you can do it. If you want to track any vehicles and any person, that also you can do it over there. Any asset you want to track it, that also you can do it, and all the data also you can monitor it. So that data also you can monitor it, and you can store it, and you can download it and fetch that data to perform any further analytics, and you can share that project also with any other persons, that also you can do it. So that sharing is also possible over there, that can also be done. So this application can be done over there using Arduino, and you can use Raspberry Pi also over there. So let's take this simple example. So over there you can monitor all the parameter of Raspberry Pi over there, and you can control that GPIO pin of Raspberry Pi also from this cloud manually over there. That also can be done, and you can control Raspberry Pi. You can turn it off, turn it on. That also you can do it. So now I'm coming to the question answer. If you are having any kind of queries, any kind of doubt, that you can ask over here in the chat box, or you can unmute your mic, and that you can ask it over here. Before that, I'm just going to share with you my contact detail again. So further also, if you face any difficulty while making any smart product, so that you can contact me over here in this number, or via mail ID, or Facebook or Insta over there, so that you can contact me. And earlier I shared with the YouTube channel, over there you will find all the details set up over there, that you will find it on the YouTube channel, that with the name of Enovate Skill you will find it, Enovate Skill e-learning. Yes, so now you can share your queries. So if there is any kind of queries, that you can type over there in the chat box.
Participants, you can post your queries in the chat box, or you can unmute your mic and you can ask your questions to Ajay sir.
Meanwhile, I'm just sharing with you that YouTube channel link also. So over there, you will find all these things in a detail because due to the time limitation, I just skipped a few part over there, like Raspberry Pi and all that. But in this YouTube channel over there, you will find all these things in a detail. So there will be many more, like 1 week FDP program. You will find it over there that is dedicated on IoT, and over there you will find everything in a detail. So, if you want to connect any AC appliance, so that also you can connect it using relay module over there. So that also you will find it over there in these videos, so that you can check it out and you will able to find this information helpful. Yes, we can do any project related to smart city over there, and you can monitor all the different datas over there. Like if you want to do any smart city project, so a major part is over there. So over there you can use one technique, that is WSN, wireless sensor network. That is very much helpful over there. Or you can use LoRaWAN also. That is also helpful for a smart city. So in a smart city, what you can do, you can monitor like transformer parameter, and you can monitor like any kind of pitch over there for dustbin kind of things. You can monitor it over there, and many things you can monitor it over there using a smart city project using based on IoT, and there is huge demand over there in the market that you can do it. And if you want to do WSN, that also you can do it, wireless sensor network, and with the help of that you can connect all different device with each other, and they will communicate with each other, and after that you can send all the data on the cloud. That also you can do it. So thank you. If there is any further queries that you can ask it over here.
So, any other queries from participant side? So, thank you very much, Ajay Kumar sir, for spending your valuable time with us for this 6 days HTTP on impact of artificial intelligence and deep learning on IoT. Your presentation was excellent for the past 2 days, and thank you very much for considering our request and spent your valuable time with us. As usual, your session was very excellent, and we can see a very vibrant and positive feedback coming in the chat box. So we are expecting your coordination with us for all the 3 slots, and we request you in this August meeting. We'll request that you need to spend your time with us for the next 2 slots also.
Definitely, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's my privilege to being over here, and all the participants are so much curious to learn. So, that is real diet for a teacher. That if participants are willing to learn, so teacher used to share more and more information, and
Yes.
this one is a very wonderful program. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for joining with us, sir.
And now, let's end our session with vote of thanks. It's my privilege to have the opportunity to give vote of thanks. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our resource person, Mr. Ajay Kumar Godara, who took out his valuable time to inspire us wonderful presentation. I also wish to express my gratitude to all our staff members who organized this program, and I thank every participant for making this program a successful one. Thank you, everyone.